Welcome again, my name is Mr. Month, and today we're just gonna make a card, a 3D card, and we're just gonna get it ready for Valentine's. So the first thing I do, I'll just bend this paper in half. This. Make sure everything is perfect. Here you go. And how you make a 3D card is simple. You have your scissors. You zoom on this. And you make one cut like this. A second cut just next to it. And here you go. And you open the card. And you can see this. And from the outside, push the small paper upward and outward into the inside of the card. Then, when you have pushed it fully, you can continue bending the card until, ta-da! Here you go. Now, when you open the card, you will see a pop-up thing here. And we'll try this while using our made hearts. So I have two hearts. We just cut, and we're just gonna add this here. So the first thing I'll do, get a glue stick, and I'll glue one card. And then I'll glue a second card right next to it. Ta-da! Here you go. And then you close the card, open the card again, you'll see a 3D card, a 3D image of a heart. And if you don't want this mark to be seen here, you can also add another line of paper. Another paper, glue it, and you will be fine. And when you open the side, you'll get a 3D image. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Subscribe, enjoy, like. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to keep on thinking.